right, there's a party over here in the higher booth. We got a DJ behind us, and he's rocking some sweet tunes. And check it out. We're going to learn about Haier. You might not know that brand, but listen, they are the parent company of GE, and they've got some of their own innovations.
So Brian, maybe you can give us a little insight on what Haier is and where it's going.
Sure. So first, Haier's the #1 appliance brand in the world, and we're focused on winning with a underserved consumer, which is our uncommitted upstart. This is our millennial consumer who wants to simplify their life, lives in a little bit more urban settings.
I love the pocket handle because you don't have to match this to any existing handle, right? You know, and I kind of think of like these being like a little sleeker. They fit into smaller units. Like by being smaller, you're maintaining the square footage of a more limited space in the kitchen. Okay. Yeah, right. And I see this being something with the younger audience that you're going for. It's a vent. It's not a microwave. I learned that the hard way. I walked up to one of the product experts and was like, sweet, microwave. And I quickly got schooled on exactly what this is. It's a vent, and then it's got the full suite of cooking. Check this out. So if you don't know how to make cauliflower mushroom curry, it's all right here. And this is what I learned. It serves 2. So let's say I have 6 showing up. It automatically changes the recipe. So, sorry, I'm doing your job for you, but I'm so impressed by that.
You're doing
you know, because that means like some chefs did this. Not some dude in a laboratory with a white lab coat. They don't know how to cook. Well, maybe some of you do. If you're watching, I apologize. Start cooking. All right, so I don't know if you can hear the voice control. And now, does this hook up to something like a Heston pan?
It does not.
It does not.
This is Wi-Fi connected, but it's not quite the same level as the cafe.
So not quite. You got to jump up the cafe to get that Heston integration, or monogram to get that Heston integration. But this is beautiful because as you're working through this, and I'm not quite sure how it works. There you go. Finely sliced scallions, wash sliced mushrooms, right? And then it gives you some of the visuals. This is neat, you know? I mean, for someone who doesn't know how to cook, or even for me, like I do know how to cook. I can swipe through this and in a minute go, oh, got it, okay, and then I'll just make it, you know?
It's voice activated as well, so if you get those greasy hands, you're not touching the screen, you can have it move to the next cycle.
Oh, I can tell it to move on. This is neat. I think this is really, like, I'm surprised somebody hasn't thought of this sooner. And I love that it integrates right into the size of a standard microwave, you know, so where does the microwave live if this is here?
It would be a microwave, would be a countertop microwave if you use this.
Yeah, and people who are gourmet cooking might not rely on a microwave. Like, I don't know. I use a microwave every day, but I find 1 minute per strip, microwave in the bacon, bacon in the microwave, so good. Right, Pete? You've done that before. Pete's nodding yes. Don't worry. All right, what else?